You're looking to make that next move and you realize that renovating a property can make you quite a bit of money. Well, you may have seen my video on live-in fix and flips, but you probably are wondering, what does the end finished product look like? Well, this is the video for you. It's going to be a walkthrough of a finished live-in fix and flip in Parsippany, New Jersey. Let's take a look. My name's Shawn McEnteer. I am the team leader of the Living in North Jersey real estate team. I'm winning phone calls, texts, emails every single day from people just like you looking to buy, sell, invest in northern New Jersey. So if you're looking to make a move in 6 days or 60 days, it doesn't make a difference. Make sure to book a call below, and I'm happy to have a conversation with you to learn a little bit more about what your needs are to make that move smooth for you. Super exciting video because I've done so many on the live in and fix and flip concept, and it's an amazing way for acquiring a large sum of cash, particularly after you sell the property, because you get these tax benefits of you don't have to pay the capital gains up to $250,000 if you're single, $500,000 if you're married. And this is a finished product of a home that was purchased in the early 2020, and now it's 2024, and they're going to be reaping the benefits of selling the home and getting that liquid cash, and not having to pay the taxes on it. So to learn a little bit more about the live in fix and flip, I will put that in the description below so you can see a little bit more details on that concept. But for today's purposes, I want to be able to show you what it looks like to have that finished product, so you know how to pocket a large sum of cash when you are finished renovating your live in fix and flip. All right, so here we are. Let's get right to it. Beautiful job here. When this home was purchased, it needed some work. It's it's in the Mount Tabor section of Parsippany, which is an amazing town. 50,000+ people, multiple high schools, a lot going on. So it's a big town. But what's so good about this location is that Parsippany itself has Route 287 and Route 80 that go directly through town. They intersect each other, so it's a major town for getting proximity locations, whether you're taking transit lines or highway. There is the Mount Tabor train station, which is not far away at all, less than a half of a mile, and then the Morris Plains train station, bus lines, all that. So this becomes a very, very desirable town in that sense, which is great for the live in fix and flip strategy. But in terms of this house in general, I love what was done here, from the floors to the recessed lights, spot on. And then even the decorations and everything like that that's going on right now, really, really up to speed. Love it. Windows, beautiful, large, great shape. But let's start right here. You know me, I have got that flooring background, so I love talking about the floors. With the flooring here, this is oak, and they stained it nice and dark gray. Let me see if I can maybe do a little zoom in on that so you can see a little bit more. But yeah, it's a beautiful look. I really love that it goes with the light walls and then the white trim. That is a classic look for making sure that you have a property that is desirable. Painted fireplace, so easy to do. Maybe you have a fireplace that just doesn't look up the speed anymore. If you're going to re-brick the thing, that costs a lot of money. That's a really simple, desirable solution. Paint it a color that fits the layout, and that's exactly what they did here. So this is a beautiful look. Love what they did. Going to this property, it is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Here is the first bedroom. Now you'll see it is consistent with the walls, consistent with the trim, consistent with the fixtures. You'll see the fixtures and the flooring. Love consistency throughout. That just brings everything together. Really nice job there. So you see, this is the main entrance that we were in. Now we're going to be making our way over to kitchen, bathroom, and second bedroom. So here we are. This is considered the main bedroom. Love the windows overlooking the backyard. Very, very nice. That is just beautiful. I can just picture waking up that every morning, having a nice view of the backyard. It's private, really nice. Then they have the recessed lights still. And yes, once again, consistent floors. Now, if you've watched my videos in the past, you know what gets you top dollar for a home. It tends to be the bathrooms and the kitchen. Renovating them is really what's going to drive up the resale value. So you always want to make sure you do a nice job with the renovation. And that's exactly what they did here. Let's check out the bath. Love the skylight. If there's an opportunity to put a skylight in, I say go for it. It just brings out the light, makes it all natural. There's not even a light turned on in here, and I don't need to turn a light on in here. It's that bright. Natural lighting is huge. Love the shower area. It's got the tub. Always recommend that you have at least one tub in your property. It's smart because it's really appealing for families, especially those with children. So I always suggest that if you keep a tub, if you can have it. So that's what they did here. Really nice job. Beautiful glass. That's good. I love that look. And then we just have really nice vanity, awesome fixtures, got the mirrors and all that. So really awesome job. And then the color selection is spot on, like the green. Nice job with the tile as well. So with these cabinets in here, in the kitchen, you know, they're still a little bit older cabinets, but they've been refurbished, maintained. Awesome fixtures. They look great. They're in really good working condition. It's going to sell. It's really what you want to do. If you want to refurbish your cabinets, you can. If you want to get new cabinets, you can. Both work. You just want to make sure that end product is quality, and that's exactly what they did here. All right, take a look. The quartz, updated appliances. This just makes things look that much nicer when you have everything updated, uniform, get the same color fridge, and you know, all appliances look the same. Dishwasher. Really nice kitchen. We got the little dining area. Love it. Really nice job. And I love the corner sink there. That's really great. So all in all, really nice job renovating here. Let's see here. Oh, let's go to the backyard. Let's take a little look out here. See what we have going on. Whoops, there we go. Keep messing with my selfie stick. So here we go. Beautiful patio. Yeah, look at that. Awesome for hosting, having a good time. This is just beautiful. You know, these are the right renovations. You know, at the end of the day, this is a property that, I kid you not, when purchased was in the low 300,000s, and now it's going to sell for the high fours, possibly low $500,000. So I have a question for you, and I want you to drop a comment below. If you could have $100,000 in your pocket, would you do something like this? Because that's what's going to happen here when this property is sold. So drop a comment below if you want to have $100,000 in your pocket. Or maybe you could think of a better strategy. I don't know. But I think real estate becomes one of the fastest ways of growing liquid cash, particularly through the live-in, fix, and flip strategy. Because once again, you get those tax benefits that you don't have to pay the capital gains tax of $250,000 for single, $500,000 a married couple when you sell the property, as long as you lived in it for 2 of the previous 5 years. So it's a really awesome strategy here that you can implement. You see this train is going by. We're right between the stations, Mount Tabor and Forest Plains. You get used to it. I want to know why I know you get used to the train, because I've lived actually right off these tracks myself, and my wife and I have lived next to train stations our whole lives. But that's second nature. Really nice. So for more questions and strategies on the live-in, fix, and flip and how it can benefit you, and want to see how you can get a property like this, reach out. Let's have a conversation, and make sure, so you're up to date on future videos, click subscribe so you don't miss a beat of what's happening in northern New Jersey.